Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick speed test between the Huawei P Smart and the Huawei P8 Lite in the version of 2017. Both phones have an Octa Core CPU, and so let's find out which one is faster, the version of 2017 or the version of 2018. Okay, let's start on the phone. Many people say the Smart is the new version of the P8 Lite from 2017. So let's see which one has more power and is faster. The P8 Lite. Let's test the camera next. Point for the 2017 version. So let's have a look. Which one is next? Maybe let's check out Build a Bridge. And the point goes to, I think, Remy. I will check it later. Okay, next maybe the Amazon app. Point for the P Smart. Okay, let's go to Candy Crush. Seems like the P8 from 2017 is faster, but now the P Smart is overtaking and win this competition. Point for the P Smart. Okay, Clash of Clans. Let's have a look. Oh, point for the 2017 version. Okay, the next one is Google Earth. Point for the 2017 version. Okay, always important to be fast. Shazam. Remy. Now let's check a racing game. Real Racing 3. Which one is faster? Seems to be the P Smart. A nice racing game, and the P Smart should be the winner. Yeah, it is the winner. We see with how much gap. Okay. Congratulations to the P Smart. Okay, let's check now SimCity, a nice game. And both phones are trying their best. You can build up a city with this game. You'll be a mayor of your own city. And the winner is the P Smart. Okay, the next one is if you want to translate something. Google Translate is always nice to have. And the P Smart is faster with it. Okay, next one, Subway Surfer. Oh, let's take WhatsApp first. Faster. I have to go online there also. Okay, next one and last one is Subway Surfer. Let's find out. Subway Surfer. At the first moment I have the impression that this 2017 P8 Lite reacts a bit faster, but then the P Smart is always overtaking, like in this case, and the winner is the P Smart. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you want, maybe you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up or subscribe. Thank you so much for, and maybe until next time. Ciao.